Is there space for kindness in our complex world? You can answer this yourself after watching these amazing acts of kindness. We're about to start, and in the meanwhile, you can do a good deed by subscribing to our channel. The security guard reacted quickly and saved his colleague's life at the very last moment. A ride suddenly broke and the whole construction nearly fell down. But look, people on the ground holding the construction in a united front, not allowing it to tip over.
Someone's getting fired.
This pillow is the most precious gift for this elderly man because it features a photo of his wife, someone he can never hug again. During a hurricane, these people's car got stuck, but the Marines came to the rescue. While many ambulance vehicles are delayed due to traffic, these people decided to clear the roads so that the ambulance could get to its destination in time. This guy bought flowers from an elderly lady only to gift them to her. The restaurant workers decided to wish happy birthday to a blind woman by writing their birthday wishes in Braille made with melted chocolate.
Are you kidding me?
Thank goodness there are people in this world like this tractor driver. When you're a retired flight attendant and you suddenly learn that your son is the captain of this plane.
If you were a stewardess for Capital Airlines, would you mind raising your hand?
Oh my God.
Because your son would like to say that you're the greatest mom ever.
The operator of this excavator offered the bucket as an impromptu umbrella to that person. And this girl will definitely remember this birthday tribute for a long time. This girl knows better than anyone how important it is to receive encouragement, which is why she distributed these notes around her school. This motorcycle rider stopped to help another driver collect his lost cargo.
Everyone, I got you. Hey man, take care.
This is what the most original proposal looks like. Check it out. What do you think she said?
Yes.
And this prom queen gave her tiara to her best friend, whose mom died from cancer a few hours prior. The sick woman insisted that her daughter still attended her special event no matter what. A happy moment when you've been dreaming of having a Ferrari your entire life, and your kids made your dream come true.
One, ready, 1, 2, 3.
Look at the steering wheel.
The steering wheel, Dad. No!
The students decided to thank their teacher on his last day.
Oh, you guys. Oh, you're gonna make me cry.
The artist decided to bring joy to a stranger by drawing his portrait and giving him the drawing.
Hey man, here, just drawing you earlier.
Oh.
I like your nails, by the way.
Oh, thanks.
They look cool.
This person is not only willing to help out, but also is super strong. He definitely helped her out. A street musician couldn't imagine in his wildest dreams that he'd get to duet with Steven Tyler. These guys decided to support an elderly insole vendor and just gave him the money.
Возьмите, так просто, без телек. Берите, берите. Не надо. Спасибо, спасибо.
This motorbike driver saw a blind man walking on the road and helped him get on the sidewalk. Why hadn't anyone done that earlier? This 94-year-old man gives his wife flowers from their garden every day.
Oh, how beautiful. Oh, my, look how
The driver noticed a homeless person who fell down from their wheelchair on the side of the road. Other people walked by and didn't want to help him because of the smell. This supermarket worker worked there for 9 years, and his colleague decided to show their appreciation with a new car.
Oh no!
This is a reaction of a guy who returned home after a 9-month deployment and saw his baby for the first time. And these guys saved a person who was trying to find the bag he dropped when he started drowning. There are plenty of good people on the road. This guy's name is Jonathan, and he is colorblind. But just look at his reaction after he saw color for the first time. It happened thanks to the school principal, who is also colorblind.
That's awesome. Hey, come here. Come here, dude. Oh,
These situations are proof that there are many kind people in the world, and if we unite, we can achieve the impossible. This video of a dog being rescued from an oncoming train caused a huge ruckus, but many say the video is fake. What do you think? This woman was getting ready for chemotherapy and decided to remove her hair. The owner of the barbershop and his cousin decided to support her, telling the woman that everything's going to be all right.
so you don't feel you do that.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
We just love people, that's it. We love you, yeah?
Oh,
We love
thank you, thank
We
you,
love
thank you.
We love
Oh,
you.
yes,
You'll be
I'm
okay,
looking
yeah?
at there.
After a terrible flood, the truck driver was in a desperate situation, but people got there just in time to get the man from the trap he found himself in. Two workers from Istanbul noticed a Lamborghini that broke down in the road and stopped the traffic. They pushed it to a safe place. Just like these drivers that united to move a heavy truck. That's all for today. Tell us kind stories from your life in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.